Well. Again, thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. Let's go ahead and clap for the team. So, team, just to let you guys know, today is Friday, and I'm Mr. Full Profit. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to give you educational purpose. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like what we're going to be talking about. And also, I have a lot of videos. Go ahead and review them if you missed out. Okay, team, as you guys can see here, today was a great day. I did take a little pullback on my profit. I was up this morning about 1,300, and I was, I believe it was $850 because, I had a stop loss and I was able to cash out. All right. So what we're gonna be talking about, fresh new stock that we're gonna be talking about for next week, 3 weeks call out. We're gonna go ahead and take those. All right. First one we're going to be talking about is Aapl. The market is bullish. The market is bullish. Let's break down something real quick. As you guys know, we have Bitcoin. Okay? Bitcoin is rallying completely, going crazy. Okay? So let me go ahead and pull out something real quick. Break down for Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin. Let's go. On the weekly chart, bullish. Daily chart, as you guys can see, let me go ahead and reset my chart. I know I'm going a little fast. We got a lot to cover. Bullish, we spoke about it this week, okay? We spoke about Bitcoin this week. So let me go ahead and show you guys exactly what's happening with Bitcoin. Nice pullback. Remember, we drew the line. Lower, higher, higher. MACD bouncing. What ended up happening? We have the line draw, bullish from there on. Right now, we're waiting for Bitcoin to go all the way up to, I believe, 73,000. You guys can see it where the line is, right? The right line, 73,000. That's what Bitcoin. Let me go ahead and draw it again. Boom, here, 73,440. We're waiting for break above, pull back, and gone. Now, let's get back to my favorite of all time right now. It's Aapl. When it comes to Aapl, team, look at Aapl daily chart, weekly chart. Guess what happened? Number one, MACD is green. We go ahead. Let's go ahead and draw something here. It did a breakout on the daily chart. We don't have too much time to waste, team. Let's go ahead and do some quick homework. Let's get prepared. Bullish stock, team. Again, free picks, okay? Go ahead and sign up on my Patreon. I'm going to be giving every Sunday some weekly picks, and I'm going to be communicating directly with the one that sign in and communicate, and whatever they want me to break down, I'll break down separately as well. But let's go ahead. Aapl, okay? This is the daily chart and the weekly chart, okay? Team, again, let's look at this, okay? I want to be clear, okay? I don't want no mistake for next week. We are going to make money. We are up in the money, team, right now. Break above 237, 235, a high. Wow. Aapl is making new high all the way. The market is bullish. Team, let's go ahead and take Aapl for 2-3 weeks out. But if we do bust through with a nice profit, we're going to go ahead and start taking our call options. Let some runners run. Okay. Now, NVIDIA. Let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA. Everything's looking good. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and look at NVIDIA. Let me go ahead and mark NVIDIA on the daily chart. I know I'm going a little quick. Today's Friday. I know everybody want to go ahead and party. They made some money this week. Like myself, I'm excited. Let me go ahead and delete. As you guys can see again, my MACD is above. Simple. And guess what? It's just curving on the green. So we're looking at upside for Aapl, NVIDIA, 3 weeks out at least. 3 weeks out. Let's give it some time. If you want, you could take it a month out to be on the safe side, because again, we want a full breakout and we want to pull back and again and run. But we have to be diligent and pay attention, okay? to the daily chart. If it start pulling back, then again we need to pay attention. But again, Nvidia has hit so many highs that it could potentially do a pullback. The pullback could go all the way down to 114, okay, or 128. Okay, the next leg support is 128. After 128, we're looking at around 119. Okay, after 119, we have 113. So we have 3 different legs. Let's go ahead and mark them. Okay, boom, 128. Let's go ahead and mark the next leg. If it does a pullback, around 117. And after that, next leg down is about 100. So I'm not sure. The way I'm looking at this, Nvidia is bullish. Okay, so Apple, Nvidia, me personally, I'm gonna try to go ahead and pay attention on Monday next week. I want to fully uptrend when it comes to Nvidia, and I want to pull up and pull back and runner and keep running. Okay, it needs to go up, bounce on the support. That's gonna be the next support. That's a resistance right now, and after that runs. Okay, now Microsoft is not the same thing. As you guys can see, the MACD are red, not ready. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get that money. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys 2 more. I'm excited. Today I was able to make some profit. I could have made way more. But again, we playing safe zone. So again, let's go ahead and look at what we could see here. AVGO. AVGO. That's a stock that we need to pay attention to. It's not doing too much. Tesla, again, team, I mentioned that before. Again, go ahead and watch my videos. Right now, Tesla is doing a consolidation, all right? The weaker it gets, I'm waiting for Tesla to go below 214. 214 could go all the way down to 201. My next leg will be 202. And after that, if it breaks it, it could go all the way to 182. So Tesla had a bad investigation going on right now. You guys could do the news on CNBC. Some fog autopilot things going on. So we have to be aware of that. And as you guys can see here, important is on Tesla weekly chart, it's curving. So let's see if the MACD start turning red. We need to go below my next leg here, which is gonna be 214. So we have to pay attention to MACD. So I think Tesla has a lot more to go. So again, at Mr. Full Profit, Amazon, nothing. Meta is kind of active, but we need a pullback and an upside. But Meta looks pretty good, but not ready for my pattern. Okay, let's look for the next. Walmart is doing well, slowly going up. That's something for long term. You guys could go ahead and, but I would wait for a pullback on Walmart, or wait for the MACD to turn green and go ahead and take. But weekly chart is looking good. It's always been on the rise. Always important, team, to go ahead and wait for a pullback. All right. JP Morgan did his run already from 218 on earning day. As a matter of fact, from 215 to 225, not bad. So let me go ahead and break down another one for you guys, ladies. United Health, that's a big gap to fill. I like that. You see a drop, team. I think we did that situation. We talked about it before. It dropped down. So now it has an upside from 569 to 598. United Health. Beautiful. Weekly looks good. Just because of earning, it took a hit, but it has room for upside. As you guys can see, weekly charts look good. All right. Visa. It did a nice run on 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Beautiful. MACD started turning. Beautiful. We cannot trade it all, team. We cannot trade it all. You have to be specific and make a plan, so that way you stay, at least learn about 5 stock. Let's stay consistent with 5 stock, team. Okay, we have enough stock to make money here. So Netflix. Let's talk about Netflix, baby. Let's talk about Netflix, baby. Netflix definitely did a run on earnings. Beautiful. From yesterday, 703 to 766. Almost 80 something points, $75 up today. It kept running, of course. Beautiful. MACD. Team, I'm not making this thing up. Look at the MACD high scraping on the MACD weekly. Boom, boom, boom. It might still have some more runners, okay? But also, you got to pay attention. It might start doing a pullback. We don't know. But again, with that earning, we have to pay attention. There is no need to try to short it when it still has potential of keep running. Okay, there is other stocks, okay? Let me try to see if I could find one more. So we could go ahead and close and go celebrate on Friday. I'm excited. We got great news coming in. More earnings are coming in next week. That's a short. AMD right now for me is yeah, I could see that we could short AMD, but it's not the best. I wouldn't touch it now. T-Mobile been pretty steady going up according to the MACD. Beautiful. And the weekly chart, no problem. I like that. Pepsi. Nothing here. NVS is not too much of a, it's kind of a little slow stop. Let's see here. McDonald, not bad. McDonald did his thing for 1 week from 300. Not bad. I'm looking for a pattern, a nice pattern. Let me see here. Oh wow, ABT did his thing as well from 116, but nothing major. AXP, American Express team. Okay, this is the one that we need to break down today. Okay, I made some money on the short position team. Let's go ahead and do this with you guys. I mentioned that before. This morning I posted short on the video. Look, as you guys can see, you always got to pay attention. All right, you remember, when you're doing pre-market, you select your highest point and you trying to average your lower point, okay, of the market. But if you look at here clearly, look at the MACD team. You remember I said once it's trade below, you draw your line, okay, and as support, and this is resistant. So it fell at 293. Really, it was supposed to kind of, but they came up short with their earnings and stuff like that, and growth. Something I believe it was the earning was okay. I think the guidance is the one that fell. But I saw that position team, right? It went lower, and guess what I did? I played stocks, of course. You know what I'm saying? Pre-market, you cannot do options. So I shorted it, playing stock, and guess what happened? It kept going down, but guess what happened? Once it go down, the moving average, you gotta see if it's gonna go above, and it stayed under the zero between the green mountain and the yellow, and it kept falling again. So that was an easy opportunity. Okay, team. But again, we did pretty good here this week. I was happy. Again, thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. That was a quick breakdown. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more videos out for you guys so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But because again, at Mr. Full Profit, that's what we do. We stay here, we stay active, proactive, and we make sure that we watch the market all type of ways. So as long as you know how to do technical analysis, you'll be okay. Please go ahead and send me some comments on anything that you guys want me to discuss, what kind of issue that you guys having and your trading game and stuff like that. Let me know how much money you made. Did you choose my picks? And that way we could communicate better. And if you have some more information, you can always text me to my YouTube channel, comments, and I'll be able to respond in a timely manner. All right. Thank you so much, and happy Friday. And that was a great week. All right. See you tomorrow. I'll be dropping a few more content so that way you guys could be up to date. Thank you.